I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Indian-style salsa. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need about 3 ripe tomatoes, 1 medium onion, and 2 to 3 green chilies, depending on your spice preference. Don't forget fresh ginger and garlic, approximately 1 inch of ginger and 2 cloves of garlic. We'll also use a handful of fresh cilantro and a few key spices to build those delicious Indian flavors. Now let's prepare our ingredients. Begin by roasting your tomatoes, green chilies, and garlic directly over an open flame or under a broiler until they are slightly charred and softened. This step adds a wonderful smoky depth. While they cool, finely chop your fresh onion, ginger, and cilantro. Once cooled, peel the roasted tomatoes and garlic, then roughly chop them along with the roasted chilies. It's time to bring all these wonderful flavors together. Transfer your roasted tomatoes, chilies, and garlic into a blender or food processor. Add the finely chopped onion, ginger, and cilantro. Now, incorporate your spices: 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and half a teaspoon of coriander powder. Season with salt, starting with about half a teaspoon, and pulse the mixture a few times until it reaches a chunky, rustic consistency. Avoid over-blending for the best texture. Your delicious Indian-style salsa is almost ready. Give it a taste and adjust the seasoning as needed, perhaps a little more salt or a pinch of chili powder for extra heat. A squeeze of fresh lime juice can add a lovely bright finish. This versatile salsa is perfect served with warm parathas, crispy dosas, or alongside your favorite rice dishes. Enjoy this fresh, flavorful condiment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.